How do you make custom Streamlab alerts? Let's find out. First thing you're gonna do is, I just went and made a little quick sketch. I didn't actually want to animate this into Photoshop. So what I did was I illustrated a base form of it in Illustrator. Then I just threw it into After Effects. Came up with a little flame animation. So what do you do after you animate all of this stuff? Well, you can render it out as a WebM. Usually you don't have an export like that in Adobe. So what you got to do is there's a link down below. You can install that link into your cloud and it'll make it so Encoder and Premiere both have the WebM export. Now when you go to export it, make sure you definitely click this little area where it says include alpha. Otherwise you would just get black or whatever is in your background. If you don't have Adobe and you still want to export it, go ahead and render it out, anything that you want, and you can go to this link right here, and that's also in the description, where to go. And this is an online exporter, so you just upload your footage and out spits a WebM. So then we take the WebM, go into your Streamlabs, go to your dashboard, go to alerts, go to whatever alert that you want. Then click on the ad, import your WebM, hit save, and that's it. There you go. Your own custom alert system. Now you don't have to have that zombie running. Everybody has that zombie running. That's no fun. So if you like this, subscribe, like, hit the bell, do the thing. You know, catch you later.